So you're a business which is doing 6 million dirhams a year, which is massive. What advice would you have for people who want to get into the F&B space? Like to that one person who's passionate about cooking, who's like wants to give their life for food. How can they go about building a 6 million dirham business or maybe more? Like how it's going?
I think one is you should have a niche idea.
Yeah.
There's two ways you can go about it, right? One, you go with the masses and you start like a cafeteria where you're serving that particular niche.
Yeah.
And that's what you're going with. Second, have a really good idea, have a niche idea, right? I wouldn't be able to give a lot of advice when it comes to opening up a restaurant or something like that, but how we operate, like in terms of a meal plan, we're a cloud kitchen. We're not customer facing on a day-to-day basis. For us, there's I would say the risk is lower, the wastage is lower because we prepare on orders. So we procure on orders. Right?
100%.
So our risk is much lower. Yeah, we do food trucks once in a while, we do events once in a while. It's different. But I think one, have a very good idea. Two, completely familiarize yourself with the rules in terms of Dubai municipality, in terms of the government, in terms of, because they're very strict.
Dubai
right?
and UAE is very strict. I hear about restaurants being closed left, right, center if they are not following some rules here.
Yeah.
So maybe that's something you can tell us later on. What all UAE expects food caterers or people in the F&B space to follow.
100%. So you have to follow your rules.
Yeah.
You have to make sure that your entire kitchen team, your staff, they're fully certified. They're up on their certifications, whatever they need, their health and hygiene and different things. You need to make sure everything is on point. And when you are, I think, on a customer facing in a restaurant business, you have to be ready to give it 100% because at the end of the day, you're doing this for the masses or you're doing it for people, right? So you have to be in that space. You have to be willing to take that feedback because it's not always going to be pretty. Not everybody's going to love your food. Not everyone's going to love what you do,
100%.
but it's how you take that information, feedback and how you grow your business on the basis of it. Like for us, the app we get feedbacks and reviews all the time. So we encourage our customers to give reviews on every dish.
Correct.
Now, not all of them are pretty. Not everybody likes our food. What we do is we take that information that's given to us and we build on it. And we fix the recipe or we fix the menu or whatever it is. It's constant growth. You just keep learning. I think I'm still learning on the business end of it. I'm still learning today.
Of course.